Something is about to happen from October upwards to 2023. There's going to be heavy killings in this land. The terrorists that you people are hearing is about to come up in a high level. They want to do it any moment from now. And they want to shoot, invade villages. Politicians are in problem because they will begin to kidnap them one after the other. And not just to kidnap and demand for ransom and leave them, they will kill them. Because they want to take over what? The land. There are a group of people that believe that Nigeria belongs to them. And the Lord said, this time they are coming. Starting from this ember, that people are starting from October. The reason why they are going to do it, things have changed the way they want it. They planned it that the whole Atiku will take the power. They first of all wait for PDP to do their primaries, so that they will nominate Atiku. And the APC, they will know how to do it. But something happened now. Obi now came out, first in history in Nigeria, that the election is now Wazobia. Have you heard such before? First in history that somebody from the north is coming out. Somebody from the west is coming out. Somebody from the east is coming out. Can't you see that something is happening? And the person from the east is making a wave. Like I said here before, that the Lord said that APC will die. Isn't that what I said here? That the APC will do what? If you are a spirit now, you know that APC will die. Number one, picking Muslim is over. That they will have crisis and they will die. Today they have Muslim ticket is over. And I told you that I saw a new party. And that new party that are about to fight. The boys in the street now, are you not seeing the way they are attacking people? If you talk against them, if you talk against Obi, the threat you are going to receive will show you that what I told you how many months ago, that they are ready to do what? Fight. They are ready to do what? Fight. And now the people, the cabals have seen that the power have changed. You know, before, that's what they deliberately do. Before the election, they begin to kill people. Before the election, the day of election, even in Lagos here, you will see the thugs will move around, harass people. That early morning of election, they will give light. The steady light. You as an Igbo man will not like to go out. That day you go and hire film already. Am I lying? You will be in the house. Go and buy catfish. Your wife will cook for you. Now they have seen that people are not ready to stay at home. That day, if you give light, people are coming out. Igbos are marching out. Youths of Yorubas are coming out. Youths of North are coming out. And if you bring your tongues to fight them, they will fight back. And after the election, they will not like to announce who won the election, who won the election. They will try to give it to somebody else. Revolution will start. Revolution will start in another form. The fight coming is not going to be fight of Igbos again. Are you getting the point? The fight will not be Igbos anymore. The fight, the army will not be able to control it. Police cannot control it. Are you going to control the one in Imo State? Are you going to control the one in Calabar? The fight will not be Igbos anymore. The fight, the army will not be able to control it. Police cannot control it. Are you going to control the one in Imo State? Are you going to control the one in Calabar? Are you going to control the one in Taraba? Are you going to control the one Nasarawa? Are you going to control the one? You will see that the youth will outnumber the army and police. And the country will go down. Now they have seen it. The next thing they will do is for the terrorists in the army and the other people to come out and begin to kill people. To come out and take over the country any moment from now. Another thing, the election may, under probability, it may not hold. Because something will happen before the election. Fear will be so much. And that is where we come in as a prophet of God. I told you that the time like this will come. I told you, are you telling me that there will be that coming, that Britain will like somebody that has something upstairs? Are you telling me that America and the West, that's what we call common sense. This one is not prophecy. America and the West, Europe, France, Belgium, there are people controlling Africa. Are you telling me that these people will like Obi with his initiative and idea to come and fix Nigeria? If Nigeria becomes good, Europe will have problem. Africa will be powerful because Nigeria, if you watch the map of Africa, you will find that Nigeria is in the trigger. Africa is like a gun. Nigeria, the map of Nigeria is in the trigger of Africa. And the white knows that if Nigeria becomes okay, the entire Africa will be good. And they will never allow you to be what? They will never allow any leader. There are so many leaders. Abacha was one of the good ones. Murtala Mohammed came out with the good plans. How to make development to come from Port Harcourt, Lagos, or the Old East. What did they do? They assassinated him. Abacha was planning for good. Everybody that have something here to contribute. Good luck was planning heavily. Have you asked yourself, why is it there's no light here? Good luck came in power. He gave Bat Energy, Minister of Power. As soon as Bat Energy came in, began to do power plant. What did they do? They gave Good Luck order to remove him. This Boko Haram that was threatening the whole country, Good Luck appointed Hejirika to be chief of army staff. And Hejirika was sending troops to the north. El-Rufai and all the Hausas, they said, fighting them is fighting the north. What did they do? They gave order to Good Luck to remove Hejirika. Are you telling me just common sense? What am I trying to say this morning? Lord said I should speak to my people. If anybody is telling you that Nigeria will be good, that person is a fake pastor. He doesn't have vision. God did not speak to him. Nigeria is going to be worst. The Lord said the only thing that my people should go, that people, they should give us Biafra. That is the only thing that can save you. Because these terrorists are coming. And America is highly involved. Britain is highly involved. They know. Let me tell you the reason why they are highly involved. During the time of Trump, they said they kidnapped American citizens, right? And Trump sent his army. They went to North and picked their citizens. How come America know where they are? Pick them. Even Nigeria government don't even know. Can't we use our common sense? How come America all the way from United States sent and went to Sabisa and picked the citizen and go? To show you they are the one are involved. Mostly this Democrat, this government is highly involved how to destabilize Africa. And that is why God said America must go down any moment from now. The whole world is cooking up. And the Lord said there are going to be change of power regime all over the world. Starting from October, there are going to be change of regime change. Let me use the word regime change. So many presidents, there are going to be protests against presidents, against leaders. People will be resigning. And from October, mostly in Europe, a lot of leaders will be resigning. Because of what? The Lord said they were going to do it with hardship. Economy of Europe will go down any moment from now. Seriously. America will be in a very big mess. There are going to be protests all over. Things will be so hard. There are going to be recession all over the world. January, I came back here in January and I give you prophecy that the Lord said you people should go and put something in the farm. Is that what I said here? That I saw where people are eating cassava. What I told you is about to happen starting from October to 2023. Things will be so hard. That God said he's the one doing this. What you're about to say now, God is. The Boko Haram will be in the high gear. Look and let me use the word and ask you a question. I heard from Garuba Shehu. He's giving order because what we hear here is the presidency said. Presidency said that the Buhari, the so-called Buhari, said something a few days ago that he will not like what happened in Biafra war to repeat again, that they killed millions. He reminded us how many people they killed. And they said they don't like such thing to happen again. But few weeks ago, a few months ago, the presidential guard, their vehicle, were attacked and so many army officers were killed in where? Abuja. I was hoping to hear from the presidency that they have declared state of emergency in Abuja to go and fish those terrorists out. A whole train was Kaduna to Abuja. They hit the train and do what? Kidnap so many, even so many of them are with them now. I was expecting the president and the elites in Nigeria to condemn it and say, government, we are giving you order to fish out. But anything happen in the east of Nigeria, for you to see that we don't belong here, you will see the anger. Who are the people killing people in our land? Is this same people causing havoc, killing in Igbo land? And our leaders will not talk because of what? The leaders I want. Let me use it so they will. These are the politicians we have in our land. People cannot be a man. The pastors we have are stupid ones that cannot stand up clergies and defend. The work of a man of God is to speak the truth. Forget about miracle. Forget about this, because Jesus said something in Luke 10:19. He said, I've given you powers to trample upon snakes and scorpions, and no power of the enemy shall hurt you. Verse 20, Jesus said to them, do not rejoice that you make miracle, because they were celebrating. Verse 17, oh, we came back, and demons were subject to us in your name. Jesus said, verse 20, do not rejoice that you make miracle. You should rejoice that your name is written where? In the book of life. Every man of God, your first thing that makes you and distinguishes you as a man of God is to speak the truth. What the psalmist said in Psalm 51, I think verse 4, he said his truth. Psalm 91:4 said his truth shall be my shield and what? Buckler. Psalm 51:6 said that God desires truth in hidden part and in what part? John 8:32 said we shall know the truth, and the truth shall set us free.